Welcome to our tutorial on how to create a quiz for a course section on our platform. Quizzes are a great way to assess your students' understanding of the course material. Step 1. While creating a section, click on Add Quiz under Create Course section to begin crafting your quiz. Step 2. Enter the quiz title and specify the passing marks for the quiz. Step 3. Select when you want the question paper to appear and whether students can skip the quiz. Step 4 and Step 5. Choose whether you want students to see the answers and if the questions should be timed. Save your changes to proceed. Step 6. It's time to add your first question. Enter the question, select the question type, and specify the question marks. Step 7. If applicable, provide a question hint and enter at least 2 options for multiple choice questions. Choose whether you want to time the question. Follow the same steps to add more questions until you're satisfied with your quiz. Once you're done adding questions, click on Save to finalize your quiz. And there you have it. Your quiz for the course section is now ready to challenge your students' knowledge.